na 26 one finish, madam, you still don't know how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Make I begin dey show you how to install your hair. So now, first of all, this is my adhesive spray. You just begin to spray on your edges. Spray on your edges. Then I'll begin to blow dry with my hand fan. Blow, 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 blow. If you not dey sticky, not put your wig. Not put your lace. And we apply again. You drag the hair forward. Yeah. Forward. And then you begin to match. Meti band. Make sure it's very tight. Now you can see we are going to wait. Yes, we go wait. So Ngwanu, let's begin to take off the band. Can you see that? See that, baby? I will use my glue because this hair, I want it to carry me a bit longer. So now, you see all this place will lift up. I begin to apply glue so that glue can secure the edges. Okay, so I'll bring down. Begin to clean with my wiper. They need powder, just rub around. And my wax stick, heat protection. In case you are wondering, my hair is from Angie Say. Clock it, baby. Check out the wig installation. Clock it, baby. This is how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. Everything you need for your wig installation, your wig styling are available. I do revamping, styling, wig installation, makeup. Come on, slay your slay, and that's on period. Love it. So I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, drop your opinion if this video was helpful to you.